So here are my notes for Electric Universe. I have to put it in a Word note because I'm reading it on an ebook. So these are the different notes I've taken. Um, just note that the page numbers may be different because I am on an ebook. I don't know what the relation between that is. But here is all of the different quotes I took that I thought I was interesting from the book. And there was two specific ones that I found really interesting. This is the first one. Carl Friedrich Gauss had set up his receiving electromagnetic magnet to tug a needle either to the left or the right. If it shifted to the right, that meant a letter such as E was intended. So I never thought that there was a connection between electromagnetism and something like a telegraph. So that was really cool, and I definitely want to read into that more. Um, and then the second thing that I found the most interesting was New York and Baltimore, for example, had kept their clock systems several minutes apart since they were at slightly different longitudes, and that was on page 41. The background for this quote was how they were talking about how time was unique to each city before, um, kind of before they had set clocks for each city. So it was talking about how New York and Baltimore had separate times. Like New York was a few minutes before, and Baltimore was a few minutes after. So not all times were the same for countries or cities in the same country. So I thought that was very interesting too. Thank you.